Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix live voicemail not showing on iOS 17. So in the case that you cannot see the live voicemail options on your iOS 17 softwares, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to fix this option and have it shown on your screens. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what you want to do is to go ahead and scroll down until you see the phone option under your settings application. So let's go ahead and tap on our phone options over here, and let's tap on phone right there. So the live voicemail should be located right above the silence option over here on silence unknown callers. But in the case that you cannot see it, well, we need to go ahead and basically tap on the language and regions options under the general tab. So let's scroll down until we see the general tab, and let's tap on language and region. And I want you to basically change your region to either the United States or to another location. But basically having it on US, or you could also choose Canada, will have this live voicemail feature. So let's change it to United States, and let's actually try to do this right now. Of course, it's going to go ahead and change its region, so all we need to do is to wait for this process to finish. Your phone or your devices might do a quick restart, so we should go ahead and follow that restart real quick. And as you're seeing right now, basically that's my screen recording application. So I'm going to go ahead and reconnect real quick since my device actually did a restart once I have changed my region. But basically, once you're done changing your region, you should see the live voicemail option right above the specific silence over on your phone's settings under the settings application. And what we need to do to enable this is to just enable this right there from the application. And that is all for this video, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.